Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, no? Taurus, parang nakikita ko dito meron tayong mga sleepless nights, no? Kumbaga, alam natin na merong paparating na isang magandang balita. Ito yung parang ina-expect nating mangyari. Uh, whether this is romantic or through your career, it could also be money, no? Whether or not kung kayo in separation with your person, if that's romantic, you feel like or baka excited ka kasi makikita mo na rin siya uli, no? There might be some events that you are invited, so you're gonna see the person na parang sabihin natin excited kang makita. For a few numbers of you, parang alam nyo na may mangyayari doon sa event na yon, sa pagkikita na yon, merong sabihin nating baka pinag-usapan din or kutob mo na nagpapahaging na rin itong si person. Kumbaga, you're picking up the pieces, no, kung kayo'y nag-uusap doon sa kanyang mga sinasabi, no? I am seeing in here na for a few numbers of you, there's a bit of a hindrance with you and this person back then. So parang you're excited to see the person again, and probably you're hoping that this connection might gonna be, this event might gonna be the doorway, no, for the both of you to have a reconciliation or at least have clarification with what happened. Someone here, it could be you, it could be your person. You can switch the energies, by the way. I'm reading the dynamics. Someone found na this connection is something that I needed in my life. So I'm a bit regretful of what happened na nagkaroon ng separations, no? Or the separations can be physical or energetic, no? With the with the Strength card, the Wheel of Fortune, the Six of Cups, the Four of Cups. Oh, talaga ba? Oh, wow. So, ang nakikita ko dito kasi, so merong pagpapakipot na mangyayari, no? Probably because of the distance, someone might not gonna be able to handle a relationship that's LDR, so might as well disconnected the relationship. Some of it probably monetary, no, itong naging reason. But I feel like whoever, kung sino yung naiwan, kung sino yung iniwan rather, kind of bounce back, no? Probably nabago ang buhay, no? There's also some glow-ups in here. That person, no, na parang, eto na ako ngayon, no? Ako ang sinaing mo. Ayan. So, merong konting pagmamaganda, no? Pagmamaasim, ayan. Kunyaring hindi kita papansin yan, pero deep inside, namimiss kita, no? Deep inside na gusto talaga kitang makita. or there will be arti-artihan dito, no? Yung Maang-Maangan School of Acting, ayan. Na, ay, nandiyan ka pala, hindi kita ine-expect. We, talaga ba, no? With the Four of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Pero deep inside, kinikilig yan. So parang, oh, this is the manifestation of what I wanted to happen. No? Yung iba pa nga dyan is probably they're working on their speech. Kala mo naman, no? Madaming makakarinig. Pero silang dalawa lang, nagpa-practice pa ng sasabihin. Ano pa nagkita kami, ito yung sasabihin ko. No? Baka meron kayong mga sinusulat, no, na ito yung kailangan kong sabihin or probably ito yung kailangan niyang makita, no? Visuals naman yung iba. When it comes to visual, baka nagpa-practice, no, ng eto yung gusto kong makeup, no, try ko nga mag-makeup or try to um, probably also reinvent myself when it comes to my looks. Ayan. Para gusto ko pag nakita niya ako, masyusyok siya. Ayan. Or baka may nagpapapayat or nagigain ng weight, you know, to look better. May umiinom ng gluta. Ayan. Para pa nakita niya, mapusyaw ako ngayon. No? Or baka nagpapatan. It doesn't matter kung anong trip nyo sa buhay that you're changing your life and you think your physique, by the way, no, um for your person to probably think na ay ang laki ng pinagbago, no? Yes, ako ang iyong sinaing with the Queen of nainis, let's say, pero hindi pa rin natin maitatanggi na meron tayong love. So, medyo maguguluhan ang ating puso. Let's say merong curiosity kasi dito na sinabi niyo sa sarili niyo, "I moved on," 'no? Pero nung nakita na, "Oh my God, akala ko naka-move on na ako, hindi pa pala," 'no? Bakit ba kasi uli ikaw nakita ko? Sandali, tama ba? Bakit ba kasi kita uli nakita? Yon. Ba't ka uli kasi nagpakita sa akin? We, talaga ba? Pero ini-expect. Naku, ayan. Um, I bel Oh my God, nagdadalaga ako, narinig niyo. So I believe na tawag dun sa ano, ah, runs, 'no? Tawag kumbaga sa kanta runs, may kulot. Anyway, kumbaga sa, ah, I got lost. Kumbaga dito sa nangyayari, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na, "Tama nga ang kutob ko," 'no? Either may nararamdaman pa ako or meron pa siyang nararamdaman sa akin. The Eight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. So, someone will be unblocked, no? Or someone, parang these conversations of yours, parang magsisimula uli, no? So, whatever it is that you're expecting, so congratulations, ikaw ang magwawagi, no? I think that you are manifesting for this person to really reconnect with you, no? Or kahit magkita lang pero hindi mo maiiwasan yung reconnection or reconciliation. I don't wanna I don't wanna wait any longer, so please be mine. Ako, meron talagang namumuo, no, na regla. Just kidding. May namumuo talaga ditong pagkikitang muli at may namumuong reconciliation at parang merong pagpipilit. Ayan, may magpupumilit na akin ka na lang uli. Ayan. So, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. No, did I just said Leo? Right. Did I also said Taurus? Right. So this is your reading. Oy, baka kapwa Taurus ito, no? So, Taurus, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, no, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, kilalang-kilala nyo yung sarili nyo. Taurus, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, aba, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating um, link, no? Check nyo ang ating description box. Once you click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Unang bubungad sa inyo itong question form. So, hindi lang siya kasya sa screen, ibabang baba nyo pa, makikita nyo po yung mga QR codes. And may mga designated prices po siya, how much per question. You're also gonna see the name, the number for your reference. Gumawa din po ako ng, sabihin natin ditong discounted price for 4 questions plus 1, discounted na, may libre pang isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box, no? So, Taurus, kung gusto nyo manalo ng private reading or personal reading, you know what to do. Please report those fake accounts and take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email para doon po ako bubunot ng winner for um, the private reading. Ayan. So, Taurus, kung hinahanap nyo itong mga X-files, no, or readings about exes, nilipat ko po siya sa Facebook, no. So, may mga videos po na hindi nyo nakikita dito at nasa Facebook, no. So, you might want to check and how to check, no. Dun po sa description box, makikita nyo yung mga icons na kung saan nyo ako gustong i-follow. Click nyo lang yung app icon and then i-route na kayo doon sa website. Ayan. Taurus, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.